Today on Dinners, Dishes, and Desserts, we are going to make minestrone soup. This is a copycat recipe from Olive Garden that is super easy to get on the table in just minutes. Hi, I'm Erin from dinnersdishesanddeserts.com. Today's recipe is one that I absolutely love. I used to love going to Olive Garden for lunch for their soup, salad, and breadsticks. Deciding on which soup to have was always a big dilemma, but I love their minestrone, and it is so easy to make at home. It just happens to be vegan. Don't worry, you won't miss the meat in this one, and my family loves it. It is super hearty and delicious. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil to a large stock pot, and then we are going to add in some chopped onion, chopped celery, chopped carrot, and some sliced zucchini. Stir that all together until it gets just a little bit soft. And then we are going to add in tomato paste, followed by diced tomatoes and some vegetable broth. Give that a good stir, get the tomato paste worked into the broth, and then let it come to a boil. Next, we are going to add canned beans. I like to drain and rinse my beans. We have a can of white beans and a can of red kidney beans for this. And then add in frozen cut green beans, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and give it a good stir. Once everything is nice and combined, we are going to pour in our uncooked pasta. This is going to cook in the broth until it gets nice and tender. Once your pasta is almost cooked, add in a bunch of raw spinach, and then you're just going to stir for a minute or two until it's nice and wilted. And then it's ready to go. You have dinner on the table. If you're at Olive Garden, you can get a little crushed black pepper and Parmesan cheese on top, which that makes it not vegan. But if you don't care about that, be sure to sprinkle on tons of Parmesan cheese, serve with some breadsticks. There's actually a link down below for my Copycat Olive Garden breadsticks if you want to go all out. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe so you can get more videos just like this one. Thanks. Bye.